Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 20. It is from section 2.3 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have Ben, and he is walking along a path at 4 miles per hour. He goes for an hour and a half, and then his sister Amanda begins jogging along the path at 6 miles per hour. And we need to figure out how long it will be before Amanda catches up to Ben. All right, so let's write down what we know. We can call this a rate. Say Ben's rate is 4 miles per hour. And we can have a time 1 of 1.5 hours. And then Amanda's rate is 6 miles per hour. And so we can make sort of a little timeline. So here's Ben. He goes for time 1. And then that's when Amanda leaves. And they'll both go for a short while, and then we'll call it a time t. They both go the same time t, and then they meet up. All right, so for Ben, the distance Ben goes is going to be his rate times time 1 plus his rate times the generic time. And then Amanda, her distance is going to be her rate times the time. Okay, they will meet up when these two times are equal. So we want Ben's distance to equal Amanda's distance. Ben's distance is his rate times time 1 plus his rate times time. And then Amanda's distance is her rate times time. Okay. And so we can fill in some of the numbers. And so we've got Ben is 4 miles per hour times the 1.5 hours plus his 4 miles per hour times time. That's equal to Amanda's rate, 6 miles per hour times time. All right, so we can see all the units are going to work out. So let's just drop them all off. The first one's going to be 6 miles, so we'll just write down 6 plus 4t is going to be equal to 6t. And we want to solve for time. We want to know how long it takes before she catches up to him. And so let's subtract 4t from both sides so that we can group all the t's on one side. We're left with 6 is equal to 2 times t. Now all we have to do is divide both sides by 2. And we get 3 is equal to t. And so t is equal to 3 hours. After 3 more hours, so it'll be 4.5 hours for Ben, but when Amanda leaves, it will take her 3 hours to catch up to Ben. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.